First time ever touching a snake. First time ever touching a snake, and she just overcame her fears of tarantulas and bought a pink-toed tarantula for me. And now she's breaking her fear of snakes. That is an absolutely amazing thing. You see what these reptile shows can do for the world? Help you break your fears, overcome hardships in your life. And one hardship is hating on something that is so lovable. That is so amazing. That's a beautiful, beautiful animal. Look how it iridesces. It's so cool. That is awesome.
Okay, all right. Right. Is it venomous?
Just gonna anchor on. See how she anchored around my wrist? Just gonna do the same thing to you.
You got this, girl. You just got a first pink-toed spider, and now you got a Brazilian rainbow boa. You got this.
Oh, good.
You got this, and now you love it.
What about her over there? She okay? Okay.
If I move back, she'll climb up.
Oh,
Yep.
God, I don't know about all that.
Yep, move back. Yeah, if she's fixing to fall in love with that, you're going to lose your rainbow boa.
I like it.
See how easy it is? Give it a try, people. If this little girl can try and overcome her fears of a spider and a snake in a day, then anyone can do
I
it.
want her to fall, but I don't know how to position my
She
hands.
will not fall. When she did that, when she looped the back of that tail around you, she's anchored. She's not gonna fall.
Yep. Holding on so she don't fall also. That's the other thing.
Like, their natural habitat, they're up in the trees, they're down on the so she's falling.
Will she hurt?
This is awesome, baby. See what good people can do to the community. Breaking people of their fears. We've almost sold out everything, people, as y'all can see. And we've met so many awesome, wonderful people that were fearful of their life for snakes and tarantulas and stuff. And before they leave our table, they buy one, they break their fear, and it's just an amazing experience all the way around.
Be careful around the head.
Now I'm trying to win a TV if I can, so I can watch Edward Tyndall YouTube. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Share my videos and watch my older ones till I make new ones. Peace, love, and happiness, all that good shit. On a bigger screen TV. We'll see if we win here in a moment.
She'll wrap and rest.
Okay, what's she doing?
She's loving on you. The good thing about a snake is if you don't have no love in your life, you can grab a snake and they will always give you a hug.
She's squeezing.
She's hugging you.
She's just trying to move. That's all she's doing. See that tail?
Here, get me.
I can tell that snake's not gonna bite you.
I can't see.
No way.
Actually, you'd have to give that to your grandma or your mom first, because handling a rodent and then handling a snake is a bad idea.
Yep. This animal eats that animal, and all these animals on this table eat that animal. That is the truth. Huh?
Circle of life.
Oh yeah. These would eat that rodent if they were big enough.
I've never, ever in my life had a snake. I've always been deathly afraid.
That is awesome that you broke your fear of spiders and snakes today.
I know.
On film, when you see that, she missed the thing, but she got a spider from us. You love your pink toe, right?
Yes.
All right. Who are you with? Where's your salon at?
In Brookhaven, Mississippi.
Brookhaven, Mississippi. Check her out. Your name?
Jalen Roberts.
Jalen Roberts. Check her out. She will give you some killer nails. Look at them nails. Look at them nails. Awesome. I'm taking my wife there. We're going to get her nails done. Stay tuned, people. Tyndall out.